In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable developer mode in your Whop account, step by step, so you can get to the right settings quickly and without confusion. If you run a business on Whop, this is an important area to know because it helps you access the tools and options related to development and advanced setup. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software walkthroughs just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to whop.com. Then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. This is important because the next step starts from the main account area, not from a random page or external link. If you're not already on the home feed, take a second to get back there so everything matches the layout I'm showing you. Now, look to the left-hand navigation sidebar. This sidebar is where Whop keeps the main sections of your account, including your dashboard and settings. Click on Dashboard to open your business admin page. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see a new view with more account controls and categories listed along the left side. From here, slowly scroll down through the sidebar settings categories. You're looking for the developer section. Depending on how much you use your account and how the menu is organized, this might be a little lower on the page, so don't rush past it. Take your time and scan the sidebar carefully until you find developer. When you see developer, click directly on it. That will take you into the developer settings area, where you can continue with the options you need. This is the key step for enabling or accessing developer mode. And once you're in that section, you'll be in the right place to manage advanced settings and development-related features. If you don't see it right away, double-check that you're signed into the correct Whop account and that you're in the dashboard view, because those two things can affect what appears in the sidebar. Sometimes, the menu can also be minimized or collapsed, so make sure the left navigation is fully expanded and easy to read. And that's it. You've now found the developer section in Whop and completed the main navigation step to enable developer mode. It's a simple process once you know where to look, but it can be easy to miss if you're unfamiliar with the dashboard layout. If this video saved you time, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want help with next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.